In this video we'll show how you can use Action JavaScript to resize a JavaScript chart. So let's start out by adding a JavaScript chart to our component over here. And then we'll go and select a sample chart, and we'll choose how about this chart over here. So here's a chart with a black background and an animated line. So we'll go ahead there and click the OK button, and then we'll just go ahead and run it. And when we run it, we'll see that the chart doesn't look like the preview that we saw, and that's because this chart requires a black background. So let's go back now to the chart properties over here. We'll go to the style, and we're going to set a black background here for this chart. So we'll go to the style builder. We can go here to background color, and we'll just select black. So there we go. And then click OK, and now go ahead now, and when we run this chart now, we'll see that it basically looks like it's supposed to look. It's got a black background, and the chart itself is animated. So we'll go here and we'll just save this as say chart 1, and now let's go and add a button to this chart, to this component, to resize this chart. So we'll go here and we'll add a button, and we'll move the button to be above the chart, and we'll say here resize, and then we'll use Action JavaScript to actually resize the chart. So I'm going to just go here and filter on chart. So there's JavaScript chart actions, and the action that we want over here is resize a chart. The chart that we'd like to resize is chart number 1, and let's set the width here to say 10 inches and the height to say 8 inches. So we'll go ahead then, click OK, hit the save button, and now preview this, and we can see that when we press the button, the chart resizes. And when it resizes, it is still animated, because it basically, when it resizes, it uses the same draw method that it originally had. But let's say that when the chart resizes, we'd like to draw it without animation. So we'll go back now to our button, and here we can see that we have an optional draw method, and we can go here and just type in draw. So now when the chart resizes, it's going to resize instantaneously without the animation. So we'll go ahead now and click OK, hit the save button, and there's the chart now re-rendered with no animation at its new size. So if we go now to this button and click on View JavaScript, we can see that the actual code that got executed was the JS chart resize method, which is a method of the UX component. And here are the properties that we specified: the chart name, the width, the height, the draw method, and the draw method parameters. So you can see that using Action JavaScript, it's possible to resize the chart, and also it's possible to change the draw method that is used when the chart is resized. Thanks very much for watching.